Yeah. Discipline isn't about feeling motivated, it's about doing it anyway. Every time you choose distraction, you lose. But the moment you choose discipline, everything starts to change. Control your actions, control your actions, control your life.
The videos you just watched are going viral on YouTube right now. Take a look at this channel. It gained over 1 lakh subscribers with just 59 videos, and almost every video is getting millions of views. And today I'll show you how you can create these exact types of videos using just one AI tool. Let's get started. When you click the link in the description, you'll land on the Video I Knew AI dashboard. Just log in with your Google account and you're ready to go. So I'll click on AI video. Now here I'll paste a prompt I created earlier. It's a Stickman video about time. Next, select your video model. I'm choosing Kling 3.0. Then choose your aspect ratio and video duration, and click Generate. Now watch this. Within seconds, the AI creates a full video for you. Let's preview it.
This is how you waste your time. Scrolling, delaying, doing nothing. Then, suddenly, it's too late. Stress hits, regret starts. But if you start early, even small steps matter. Respect time and your life becomes easier.
This actually looks really good. The motion, the dialogues, and the animation. Everything feels smooth and engaging. You can simply download it and use it for your content. Here's another video I created using Video I Knew AI.
Yeah. Discipline isn't about feeling motivated, it's about doing it anyway. Every time you choose distraction, you lose. But the moment you choose discipline, everything starts to change. Control your actions, control your actions, control your life.
And you can see how consistent and high quality these outputs are. And that's how you can create viral Stickman videos using Video I Knew AI. You'll find the link in the description and pinned comment. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe to Reavron for more AI tutorials and viral video ideas.